Creating an outdoor sanctuary is an essential aspect of modern living, allowing us to escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life and enjoy serene outdoor spaces in the comfort of our own homes. However, achieving the desired level of privacy can be a challenge. This guide aims to explore various backyard privacy solutions that not only enhance your outdoor living experience, but also complement your garden design and landscaping ideas. Establishing privacy in your backyard is crucial for creating a peaceful retreat. It allows you to relax without the worry of prying eyes or unwanted noise. Whether you are looking to create a tranquil reading nook, an entertainment area for gatherings, or a space for meditation, the right privacy solutions can significantly enhance your outdoor environment. One of the most traditional and effective backyard privacy solutions is the installation of privacy fences. These structures serve as a barrier against noise and sight, ensuring that your outdoor sanctuary remains undisturbed. Wooden, vinyl, and composite fences are popular options, each offering different aesthetic qualities and levels of maintenance. When considering a privacy fence, think about the height, material, and design that best fits your overall garden design. Incorporating natural elements into your landscaping can provide an effective and visually appealing privacy solution. Plants such as tall hedges, bamboo, or climbing vines on trellises can create lush green screens that not only block unwanted views, but also add beauty to your outdoor space. Moreover, these natural privacy screens can attract birds and other wildlife, enhancing the serenity of your sanctuary. In addition to visual privacy, consider solutions that address sound disturbances. Installing sound barriers, such as dense plantings or specially designed acoustic fences, can significantly reduce noise pollution from nearby roads or neighbors. This could help create a more tranquil atmosphere for relaxation and entertainment. For those looking to maintain a sense of openness while still achieving privacy, decorative solutions such as lattice panels or ornamental screens can be an excellent choice. These structures can divide spaces without completely enclosing them, allowing for air circulation and light while still providing a degree of seclusion. They can be adorned with climbing plants or outdoor artwork, making them both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Integrating thoughtful landscaping ideas into your garden design can further enhance your backyard privacy. Consider creating tiered plantings with varying heights, utilizing ground cover plants, or incorporating decorative boulders and gravel paths that guide the eye away from neighboring properties. This layered approach not only adds depth to your outdoor space, but also provides a sense of enclosure and intimacy. Transforming your backyard into a serene outdoor space requires careful planning and consideration of various privacy solutions. By combining privacy fences, natural screens, sound barriers, and decorative elements with thoughtful landscaping ideas, you can create an outdoor sanctuary that is both private and inviting. Embrace these backyard privacy solutions to cultivate a space where you can unwind, entertain, and connect with nature in complete serenity.